Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Sunrise Academy, Hyderabad. నేను మీ ఎంఆర్వి చారి senior faculty. Today we are going to discuss about very important 7 mark question in the chapter differentiation. It will come definitely gunshot 2024 IP public examination. Let us start the 7 mark question with the solution. My dear students, your question is, if root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to a of x minus y, then prove that dy by dx is equal to under root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Let us start the solution. My dear students, first problem solution start with, given that root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to a of x minus y. My dear students, differentiation mean value decreasing. According to differentiation concept, the ratio of two functions is called as differentiation. See here, root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to a of x minus y. This problem solved by substitution method, mean suitable substitution method. Student, we take x as trigonometric function, x is equal to sin alpha and y is equal to, dear students, sin beta. Then students, x equal to sin alpha, then sin function take to other side, we get alpha is equal to sin inverse of x. Here alpha is equal to, students, sin inverse of x, as well as students, beta is equal to, we get sin inverse of y, sin inverse of y. Are you getting the solution, students? Listen. Now, x equal to sin alpha and y is equal to sin beta is substituting in above equation. We get in the next step root over 1 minus sin square alpha plus root over 1 minus y plus what? Sin beta. So we get here sin square beta is equal to, again we substitute from right side also, a of x mean sin alpha minus y mean sin beta. Okay student, substitution completed. Basic formula, student, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Student, basic formula in trigonometric, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By this formula, student, we get sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and student, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta equal to 1 root over 1 minus sin square theta. By this formula, we get in the next step. Students, it is what? Cos alpha. Okay. Similarly, the cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, then cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Same here, theta as beta. So we get here same term, cos beta. From right hand side, same, a of sin alpha minus sin beta. Okay students. Now, by observation, left side cos alpha plus cos beta. It is in the form of cos C plus cos D trigonometric formula. Similarly, from right hand side, it is sin C minus sin D alpha. So students, just recall the formula. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. And second formula, sin C minus sin D is equal to formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus C by 2. By using this formula, student, we get here 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2. From right hand side, A is same, sin C minus sin D formula, that is student, here to get 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into sin of alpha minus beta by 2. Direct formula, that is cos C plus cos D. Here C plus alpha and D plus beta. We substitute directly. Now, students, we have same terms from both sides. That is 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2. Here 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2. Then it will be cancelled. Remaining students, left hand side cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to right hand side A into sin of alpha minus beta by 2. Here 2 also cancel. Now separate two terms mean trigonometric functions are one side and remaining variable like A take to other side. So A take to left hand side, that is 1 by A, remaining this cos function take to right hand side, it is left hand side numerator place. Then numerator take to right hand side, it will become in the denominator place. That is students, sin of alpha minus beta by 2 whole by cos of alpha minus beta by 2. By observation, your angles are equal from right hand side. Alpha minus beta by 2, denominator alpha minus beta by 2. Then we can apply sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. So we get student here sin by cos tan. So student, tan of alpha minus beta by 2. Now remaining what? 1 by A, students. Now trigonometric function tan take to other side, we get to inverse function. Here student, alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to student tan inverse of 1 by A. Then we write here alpha minus beta is equal to 2 is dividing from left hand side, dividing number take to right hand side, we get multiplying, that is 2 of student tan inverse of 1 by A. Now here alpha minus beta, by substitution, students, alpha is equal to sin inverse of x and the beta is equal to sin inverse of y. Now replace here, we get here sin inverse of x minus sin inverse of y is equal to student 2 into tan inverse of 1 by A. Now student, now apply differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x, we get in the next step. Why? Because your function in terms of x, function will consider in terms of x only. So that differentiate with respect to x. Now apply differentiation, that is differentiation symbol d by dx. d by dx of sin inverse x, students, minus d by dx of sin inverse y is equal to, students, d by dx of 2 into tan inverse of 1 by a. Students, here d by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x mean d by dx of f of x plus or minus d by dx of g of x. By this formula, we get in the next step. That is d by dx of sin inverse x minus d by dx of sin inverse y is equal to, student, d by dx of 2 into tan inverse of 1 by a. Now we recall the formulas, basic formulas according to differentiation. Direct formula, derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Inner function x, so we get direct formula. From second function sin inverse of y, it is in terms of y. So derivative of sin inverse of y is formula 1 by root over 1 minus y square. Inner function y, so we take derivative of inner function, that is dy by dx. From right hand side, it is constant. Generally we consider constant mean real numbers. According to differentiation, without x or y, we consider constant. Derivative of constant is 0. So student, derivative of sin inverse by basic formula root over 1 minus x square minus second function derivative root over 1 minus y square. Already we discussed. Inner function y, we get derivative of inner function d by dx of y. I hope you understand. Second term, differentiation. Now it is complete constant. Since it is without x mean constant, derivative constant is 0. Now negative number take to right hand side, students, we get 1 by root over 1 minus x square is equal to dy by dx into 1 by root over 1 minus y square. Then we get in the next step, students, required term derivative mean dy by dx 1 by root over 1 by y square take to left hand side. Here it is denominator place take to other side, will get in the numerator place, that is root over 1 minus y square by root over 1 minus x square is equal to, students, dy by dx. Basic formula root a by root b is equal to root of a by b. We get the next step, students, dy by dx is equal to under root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. What is our result, student? Required result, dy by dx is equal to root over 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Hence proved. I hope you understand, student. It is very important question. This problem solution we can learn easy method in 5 minutes only. Thank you.